How to bulk upload documents via folder templates. In this video, you will learn how to streamline document management by creating and bulk applying folder templates with preset folders and files, saving time and ensuring consistency across all relevant clients. We'll start in the Templates tab of the Settings page. Then we'll go into the Folders sub-tab and use the Create Template button to create a new one. Besides being able to add as many top-level folders and subfolders as we want, we can also upload documents directly into the folder template. Here, I'll use this template for my 1065 service, so I'll name it after it, and I'll upload this document titled List of Necessary Documents into a folder the client can only view rights, which in this case is the firm doc shared with the client folder. I will save this template now so I can apply this template in bulk. I will go to the client's page. I can either select the clients to apply the template I want to by ticking the boxes next to their account names or by filtering them to display only the relevant clients for what I am doing. I am filtering them by tag here as I have a 1065 tag. Then, I simply tick the box at the top of the list to select everyone instead of individually selecting the clients. I will then click on More Actions in the menu above the client's list and then select Apply Folder Template. Now I pick the template I want to use and click on the Apply button. I'll open up one of these clients to show you that the file from the template is now in the Accounts folder. There it is. Just remember that if you do this for many clients at once, it might take a couple of moments to apply it to everyone.